Hello students, how are you? Hope you enjoy your stay at home. Be safe and do not go outside and learn few things which we started since yesterday. This is the first class for you of class 7 and our first topic is, this is chapter 1, is numbers revision. Numbers revision. So whatever you learned in the previous classes, lower classes, we'll revise this on this particular chapter. Okay. So first thing is we need to understand what is the first number, first kind of number, that is natural number. Okay, natural number. As we already know that natural number starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till we cannot tell what the exact number is, means the last number we cannot tell the greatest natural number. Okay, if you think of 10 lakh, the next number will be 10 lakh 1. If you think of 10 crore, the next number will be 10 crore 1. So this is not defined. So this part is called natural number. If you add two natural numbers, that is, let's say example 5 plus 8 equals to 13. So what is this? This is also a natural number because this is come under this. So here we know that if we add two natural numbers, we'll get a natural number. Okay. Suppose we multiply two natural number, what is the answer? 40. That again is a natural number. So when we add or multiply two natural numbers, we get the answer in natural numbers only. Can it be true for subtraction? Let's see. If we subtract 8 minus 5, it is 3. But if we subtract 2 minus 2, that is 0. Is 0 a natural number? No, it is not. So if we subtract two natural number, we cannot say that the answer what we get is a natural number. Okay. Let's see for division also. Let's divide 2 with 2. Or let's divide 2 with 3. This is a fraction number. If we solve this, our answer will be somehow, it will be a decimal form, in the decimal form. Okay. So 6 ja 18, again 2, it will be so 0.66. Okay, 0.6666 again. So it is in decimal form. So we cannot say this is a natural number. This is not a natural number. Okay, right? Whenever we got any answer in decimal form, that is not natural number. So we understand one thing. If we add or multiply natural numbers, then the answer what we get is a natural number only. But if we subtract and divide, the answer may be natural number, may not be natural number. Okay. The next thing what we need to understand or revise is whole number. Okay. Whole number. We know know that if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this till infinity, this is natural number. If we add 0 in this natural number, this becomes whole number. Okay, and the properties of whole number is same as natural number. Means if you add two whole number, the answer will be whole number. If you multiply two whole number, the answer will be whole number. If you subtract and divide, you cannot say that answer will be always whole number. Okay. The third thing in this is integer. If I draw a number line, this is a number line, say this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. This is going on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and it is going on. Okay. This part is, we can say, this is what? Natural number. Okay. Always remember, natural number starts with 1. From 1 to any positive number. And the whole number is if we include 0 in this natural number, this will be whole number. But if we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, anything which is negative number, this entire number is called integers. Okay, it is called integer. Right? With integer, if we add two integer, let's say minus 8 plus 3, this would be minus 5. Okay? Or you can say that if we multiply, this will be minus 24. So this is also a integer, this is also integer. So this rules apply for addition, and multiplication is also applied in this integer. Okay. Now let us move ahead. Let us move ahead, and this is fraction. You already learned these things, so I am going a bit fast. And you learn natural number, whole number, integer. What is fraction? Fraction is if we draw a number line, say this is 1, 0, this is 1, this is 2. Exactly between 1 and 2 there will be what? This is 1 by 2. So if we can write anything in this form where there is one numerator and a denominator, that is fraction. Okay? Fraction, if we want to add fraction, if this is the question, let's say 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, either you can, what you can do is, either you can multiply or make denominator same, like in this case, if we multiply with 2 and in this multiply with 3, this will be what? 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So our answer will be, as the denominator becomes same, we need to just add, or whatever the sign is. This is also true for subtraction. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. So this is simple thing. You already know this far. Okay. If we had a mixed fraction, let's say 1 upon 3 plus 5, 2 upon 7. So two things we can do is either we can solve this in a simple fraction, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4 by 3 plus 7 5 ja 35 plus 2 37 upon 7. Now we need to take LCM of both this. This will be 21, and if we multiply both this, 28 plus multiply both this. So 37 3 ja is 90 plus 21 is 100. 90 plus 21 is 111. Now this will be 139 upon 21. Now you can solve this in a mixed fraction. How you can solve? 29, 21, 139. 6 ja is 120. So let's try 126. Remainder will be 13. So we can write this as 13 whole 6 upon 21. Either we follow this method, or to make this bit easier, what we can do is, this is a whole part, this one and this 5, okay. Add both this and add both this fractional part, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 7. This will be 6. Now LCM of this is 21, 7 plus 6, 13 upon 21. Same. Oh, sorry. Quotient, remainder upon divided. Same answer. Okay, this is pretty fast and easier method. Okay. Sometimes it may happen that in this numerator, this is whatever the answer you get is greater than denominator. In that case, what you need to do is, if suppose this is 23, so in this 23, 21 can be divided one more time. So add one more here, 7, and what left? 2, and this will be the answer. Okay? Understood? Now, in the next class, we'll cover the exercise. Okay? And before the exercise, let me just tell you what is this word. Board mass. It is called board mass. To solve, if there is multiple operations, like in one question, if there is 2 into minus 5 divided by 3 plus 7. So, which thing will you solve first? For that, you can use this board mass method. It will be applied in your exercise. B is for bracket. If you see a bracket, you need to solve first bracket. O is for off. Off means multiply. D is division. M, multiplication. A, addition. And S is subtraction. So, if you want to write, Note down this. Otherwise, most of the students you may remember this. If in case you forget, do write this. We'll use this when we solve exercise. Thank you for now. We'll meet on the next class.